Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, if today is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit this notification bell so that each time I post video you will be the first person to see my update, watch my video, share my video, like my video. Don't forget to also leave your comment down below for each video I post where you find very interesting. So today edition, guys, I want to make face cleanser. For this face cleanser wey I want do today na rice I want to do. So here na the rice wey I want to do the face cleanser, and na 3 items we want to do this face cleanser. Inside this whole work, this whole cleanser we want to do today, we can't get rice as you see, and so then we go also add lemon. So normally you go use that lemon wey be the original fruit, but this one is not still bad because this one na bio, which is natural juice, natural lemon juice. So me I not get that one, that fruit one. So now this one I want to use because I dey use the two, it not really matter. Then inside this whole work we want to do today, we can't still get honey where we go add for this face cleanser. So this face cleanser where I want to do, so now be the secret of my face. Now be waiting and they use for my face. So if you say my face they look like semen, I know they old, but if I tell you my age, you go fear. But no worry, follow up with me and watch how I want it done. So now I go just on my stove, then put the water on. Then I will just add small rice, not be too much. See the rice we are add, so just add them inside the water. Just take 1 spoon, you will begin stir am like this. So this cleanser wey I dey show you, so you go really see and say to boil rice water throw away na waste. But I no mean say you go dey keep all the whole rice water wey you take dey boil your rice. But sometimes if you just want cook rice and you boil the rice, you want wash am throw away, just take small, like half cup, take am comot to take do your cleanser. You go see how your face go begin look very young. So for now I believe say the rice water is done ready. So me I turn off my stove. So now the rice water be this. Just strain the water out. Then put the rice aside because you don't need them. Then I'll open the lemon juice now. Normally if now say you want use the real lemon juice for this kind quantity, so you just cut half of the lemon juice, just squeeze am inside. But meanwhile, because say now the juice, the already made juice now I get here, so I go just take 2 tablespoons. So now 1, so now 2. So I put 2 tablespoons now. Just begin stir them together. Then you come take honey. For this honey, so just take 1 tablespoon. You see the 1 tablespoon of honey where I take so. So after everything, you go leave am make e dey cool a bit. For this face cleanser wey we dey do so, no fear, e no go bleach you, e no go change your color, e go only maintain your face. Go reach your neck, you go make sure say you dey clean everywhere, and you go dey see the dirty wey go dey come out. I wan show you my own example now. So here na the container. You go make sure say you get clean container like this. If e no clean, you go wash am with very hot water so to take sterilize am, so that no bacteria go dey inside. Then you go come put am inside here. My own even just full. E just be like say I gauge am. So after everything, you just take your cotton wool like this. So make I use am clean my face now. Though say I don't wash my face this morning, but then I wan show you say something go still come out to tell you say how this thing dey very very powerful and dey very very active. So make you see am. Just imagine. See wetin I bring out for my face. Though I never clean my neck. So that lemon go make you, it go remove all the old dead cell, everything. Most especially all this eyeliner everywhere here. Just make sure say you dey clean am, because the honey inside go help your skin dey recover very very well. Go make am dey smooth. If you dey feel am, you dey feel am like say na baby skin now you get. So now this one be the secret that they use on my face. I say me I bring am for you today. I believe say it go still help 1 or 2 people. You no need to dey buy cleanser again. Just dey make this one, and it go help your skin look very very good. So guys, we don't come to the end of today's edition. So you see the process where I take do this rice water face cleanser, and it dey very very active. You see I'm saying now just 3 items we take do, and the 3 items they're not really hard to get. Now these things now waiting you get for your kitchen. Definitely you get lemon for your house. If you don't get, you go buy honey. Now normal thing we be say we dey get for our kitchen every day. And rice now one special food we be say nobody not they get rice for house. So if it be say you want just cook rice, just boil as you dey boil the water where you want throw away, just take half cup comot, may you keep am, and add lemon, add honey, may you use until they clean your face. You no need to dey buy again, because that one wey you dey buy, you no really know wetin dey inside. Use this natural one and you go see how your face go look very very young. Now the secret to my young looking na be this one. So now I say me I can show you. I believe say go help 1 or 2 people wey be say then go really enjoy this service. So don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Like our videos each time you find our video interesting, and don't forget also to leave your comment down below so that I go know wetin you talk about the videos where they share. Thank you my people. I love you all. Thank you to my subscribers. I love you all. Thank you very much. Love you guys. Till I come your way next time, I remain your Lady Iyobo. Bye bye, guys.